Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying the foundation. Draw a light horizontal guide and decide the eye tilt, usually 0-10 degrees for a neutral look. Next, draw the upper eyelid arc with confident, light strokes. This defines the eye's shape and attitude. Once done, mark the iris center on the guide and put the pupil about 1/3 from the top to suggest eyelid overlap. This small placement creates believable depth and expression. Now focus on the iris and details. Outline a clean circle, making sure the upper lid overlaps slightly to sell realism. Fill a solid pupil at the center, then add 2 highlights, a larger primary light and a smaller secondary, to imply glossy moisture. After that, render lashes using tapered strokes of varied length and thickness, concentrating denser lashes toward the outer corner. This contrast frames the eye and balances the silhouette. Make sure strokes finish by shading the iris. Apply a gradient darker at the top and lighter at the bottom to simulate shadow from the lid. Use gentle pressure, about 30 to 40%, and blend outward. Add a soft shadow under the upper lid and a faint lower lash line to anchor the eye. If something looks off, too wide or misaligned, erase the outer edge and tweak the eyelid arc rather than redrawing everything. This small fix preserves your details and keeps the expression intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.